This man, who has escaped from immigration detention, is now back in custody. And officers have serious concerns that he is using a false passport.
Initial analysis of that passport has led us to identify that passport as a fake passport. There's an arrival stamp when this person claims to have arrived in 2013. We know that's impossible as he has been unlawfully in Australia since 2011 when he escaped from immigration detention.
Where did you obtain this passport? Is this document fake? Did you apply for this visa and get granted this visa and get this label? Did immigration put that in there or somebody else? Be honest. Just be honest.
Fake.
It's fake. Okay.
With this admission, Mr. Lee will now be transported to Immigration Head Office.